Today, I'm going to explore the oldest neighborhood of Philippines, which is the intramuros, and end my day with an amazing food life, which is also a nightlife in Manila, which is called Esplanade. So let's explore with me. So I've come to this place which has amazing history. It is one of the oldest city or the oldest part of Manila, and I think it is called Intramuros, and it has a lot of history, especially this place where I think there's a fort. There are a lot of other amazing things over here, but what I personally liked it is the whole vibe of the place. Even in the night, it's very beautiful. So I'm sure during the day it's going to be even more awesome. It's like Pondicherry basically, but Pondicherry had more of French impact, but this is more of Spanish impact. So that's a good thing about it, and it has a lot of history. Like you can see, everything feels awesome and cool. I did come in the evening because of the rain, but I'm really disappointed because of the rain. But I'm sure the paintings and everything looks awesome, damn cool. And there's a fort which is very famous, and the fort has amazing history because it is nothing but a jail. It is nothing but a jail for American last American prisoners and a lot of other things. It has amazing history. Maybe once we go to that place, we'll probably see. But right now, what I'm getting is it has less crowd because of the night maybe, but it has less crowd, it's less populated, the traffic is very less, and it's very calm. So I totally love it. The whole vibe is good even in the night, so that's a good thing. So Intramuros is also known as the walled city, and it's one of the most historic core of Manila, which is also the capital of Philippines. This word literally means like intra, which is within, and muros, which is also walls. So literally means like within the walls. So it's like a city enclosed with a massive stone walls, which was really built during the Spanish time. So it's one of the most historical places. So if you're into history and if you really want to know the amazing facts or amazing history about Philippines and the Spanish era, then this is the place for you. So it's really amazing, and today it is one of the famous tourist destination in Manila, which has amazing museum, church, and some famous fort which is called Fort Santiago. And if you're really into architecture, or if you are into knowing the history, 300 years 400 years old history, where the origination and everything comes, then this is the place for you. It's really very beautiful, especially when it comes like evening, because the lights are lit and churches, everything is like lit, so it's damn beautiful. So if you really want to enjoy, then just come there, go there early morning, explore the fort, go to the church and the museum, know the history. By the time, if you're not interested in walking, there's also the famous wooden cycle guy, which is really a little expensive for me, which I personally felt, because the whole cycle is made of wood, but you cannot rent it out apart from Esplanade. So if you really go to that place and if you are into exploring the history, then this is the place. Just walk around, know every part of it, learn the history, enjoy the beautiful architecture, and then walk to this amazing place called Esplanade. Just like 2 to 3 kilometers from this oldest place is this amazing foot street which is built on the river. So it's nothing but this a footpath which has river on one side, beautiful lights, and amazing street food, and some amazing really amazing nice art. So this place is also known as the famous Pasig River Esplanade, which is in the heart of Manila. I personally suggest you to just visit the Esplanade late afternoon or like evening after you finish Intramuros, as you'll really get some nice lights for photos, and the sunset is really amazing and beautiful, and the area gets even more ambient and beautiful. Street food is really awesome and delicious, but just make sure you pick some amazing like look-alike clean stalls at least, because you definitely don't want to fall sick in Philippines. There are amazing food items like the fish ball, quack quack, which is nothing but the deep fried eggs, and which is basically a typical Filipino street snacks. And also, there's also famous spring roll, but which is chicken, pork, and lot. But I tried the famous chicken spring roll, and trust me, it was the worst spring roll I ever had. I literally hated it because it was really cold, and I asked him to refry it because I asked him to just give me something hot, but he just refried it and it was yuck. Like it was full of oil, and instead of spring roll, I just felt like I was eating oil. So that's why it's very important to look for some clean shops because this is really very bad. Come to this amazing night market. It's called Esplanade Night Market, which is across this river, and it's really amazing because it has chili sauce.
Hindi naman pumunta din eh.
Apparently, the Filipino food is not at all spicy, so we need to ask for spicy food.
Yung Eric 1,000 yung kanya kanina, yung binigay ko sa'yo.
Ayun.
Oo. Yung Eric.
Magkano yun? 100 kilos?
In this rain, it's really amazing and it's very hot. Let's wait. It's really very hot. So this place is very famous because of the night market, and it's a big stretch from there, from literally there to the end. Take this bridge as the landmark, and it goes on till the end. So it's really very interesting. I'm very excited because a lot of food stalls are really amazing. But only if you're a vegetarian, just don't come to this place, or don't come to Philippines at all because even chicken is very hard to find. So if you're a beef lover and if you're a pork lover, Philippines is your place. Like just come, enjoy the Filipino food. It's awesome. And my thing is still hot. Very crispy. Just like spring roll. He just refried it because it was very cold and I asked him to give me hot. And it's so oily. I hope it's clean, but I hope I don't fall sick as well. I then tried the famous luncheon rice, which is nothing but a rice meal served for basically lunch. For Filipinos, it's nothing but, in Filipinos, basically it's nothing but a rice-based meal. Usually they eat for lunch along with a choice of meat. I opted for barbecue chicken and had an amazing juice with that. It's not a real fresh juice, it's just like powdered juice like avocado they have, and it's nothing like tang in India, so don't expect too much. It was really very nice. Usually people have it for lunch, but it was late evening, so I had it for dinner. And if you're a spicy person, just make sure in Philippines none of the foods are spicy, so make sure you ask for chilies. There are a lot of amazing food and snacks and a lot of good stuff over here. And if you're coming for first time, just don't take any risk because Philippines has really amazing food apart from this Esplanade. So I would definitely not recommend or suggest that just come here as a complete and try a proper Filipino food. No, just don't, because it's new and it's not like an authentic Filipino food. So which I personally felt when I tried the other places. But the one weird thing which I actually noticed is the weird dessert which they have. So I tried this weird cheese and mango flavored ice cream cone, which was something unique and damn cheap, so I enjoyed it. So if you have a day, just visit the oldest place, which is the City of Walls, and then spend your evening with your loved ones or with your family to this riverside food street and enjoy your proper day. And if you guys really like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm sure I missed a lot of items because it was really raining and I couldn't explore exactly, but Just a quick note, stay tuned for more updates, but make sure you have an umbrella because it's really unpredictable weather. So, thank you for watching the video.